alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Special greetings from Global Dahiratu Dhikrlahi Islamic Organization, Health and Spiritual Guideline. Do you know if you are eating sugar with watermelon seed can prevent you from a burning sensation while urinating, and it's also a stomach cleanser. It's good for stomach stone. It's very good to be taking it, watermelon seed and the sugar. It's a kind of cleanser to the stomach. Thank you. Get my transformer 1100 power. Yeah, it's for men. You are having low sperm count, weak erection, quick ejaculation. This is what you need. Transformer 1100 power. Weak erection, especially for the people that have weak erection. You have problem with your erection. Help me to get this transformer 1100 power. You combine it together with our caterpillar and join it with miracle leaves. You are fine for the erection. You will be doing nicely on the bed. And don't forget to get the miracle leaves. It's good to detox. Our prophet, our noble prophet, may peace be upon him, said use senna leaf at least once in a year. It's very good for spiritual sickness, natural sickness, any problem from the stomach and from the bloodstream is very, very effectively. And also for the woman that they are expecting the fruit of a womb, you need caterpillar. It will make you to conceive easily. It's for both couples. And this is my 2.5 woman brain digital memory booster. Iliham Isoye is good for age people, adolescents, and the little kid. It's very working effectively for the brain. Thank you. So don't forget to get my bulldozer met fibroid. Yeah, it will help the woman that they are having excessively bleeding and the growth. It will help them to get rid of growth. You need to take care of your fibroid in order not to be cancerous. Thank you. And also don't forget to get our Sheikh natural herbs. Sheikh Afagba. This is our all-in-one. It can cure anything except death. Bi-isnillahi ta'ala. It's working effectively for spiritual sickness and natural sickness. Inna li-izata lillahi jamiya. We care Almighty Allah cure. Sheikh Afagba International Limited. The number you need to contact for our special products +27 624 624 679533. Masalam wa hila likoi.